why it is so important to recycle. In order to save trees, energy, and preserve oceans, it is important to help the earth by recycling. So what is recycling? Recycling is the process of separating, collecting, and remanufacturing or converting used or waste products into new materials. That could be plastic, paper, glass, aluminum. When you recycle, you are just giving those used products a second chance to produce something usable again and reduce stress on the Earth's environment. This means lower carbon emissions and greenhouse gases released into the Earth's atmosphere. Hello everyone, my name is Janice Valiente. I am 37 years old and currently majoring in nursing. There is no way we can save the planet years down the line if the majority of the population does not start recycling. I'm going to discuss some of the main reasons why I believe recycling is so important. If you weren't aware, studies show that Americans create very large amounts of trash daily compared to other countries. So you might think, how much waste does one person create on a daily basis? Nationally, less than 50% of the American population recycles, according to an article titled Curbing America's Trash Production, Statistics and Solutions. The average person, believe it or not, produces about 4.5 pounds a day of trash, and most of these items are recyclable. That's 4.5 pounds. If everyone decided to recycle, there would be a large amount of decrease in waste. Globally, the average is only about 1.6 pounds per day. As you can see, in comparison, Americans create more waste, which is why recycling needs to be pushed more. Here I have an image of a landfill with trash consisting of items that could have been recycled. Majority of those being plastic. Plastic items are at the top of the list for the highest amount of waste in landfills and in oceans. Did you know that plastics make up about 80% of all marine debris found in either surface waters or deeper in the sea? This threatens our ocean's health and integrity of the seafood that we are consuming. In today's world, marine life consumes more plastic than nutrients. Pictured here is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, said to be twice the size of Texas. As you can see, most of these items could be recycled. More plastic is burned in the United States than it is recycled. I also have a graph here that shows the breakdown of landfill material. Plastics being the second leading waste type found in landfills. That's higher than paper, metals, wood, textiles, and yard debris. When we recycle used products, we also use less energy than when we found them brand new. New materials are in very short supply. Around 75% of all waste can be recycled or reused. For example, aluminum. Aluminum is produced using old recycled product. It is said to use up to 95% less energy than when creating it from new. Less energy equals less gas emissions in the air and reduction of carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere. Economically speaking, it is also cheaper to dispose of recycled waste in trash than in landfills. I know what you're thinking. It probably seems like a lot to separate all those items, right? Who has the time? The majority of recycling centers actually accept their recyclable items in bulk, so you don't even have to separate them. That means you can throw all your recyclable paper, plastic, metal, aluminum, and cardboard into one bin and leave the food and other disposable items for the trash. We can't continue to sleep on recycling. It has so many benefits and can also help save our planet. It is the right thing to do, whether economically speaking or just in general. It's easy to get started, and once you get started, you'll wonder, why haven't I started sooner? One person can make a difference, especially when that one person contributes to 1,642 pounds of trash per year. Thank you.